Okay, so gawin na natin ngayon yung sa may session naman. Okay, so before that, I forgot to close kasi ito ay nasa may if block natin. Okay, so lagyan muna natin dito ng else. And then we will going to close this in this. Okay, so para na-close talaga natin yung ating parameter dito. Now, lalagyan ko lang ng comment to dito. Okay, so this one is for checking if username exists. And then dito sa may if na to, getting the actual password. And then dito, we are verifying password. Okay. So now, in this part, sa pagbe-verify ng password po natin, okay, bago tayo mag-header location, okay, so dito natin gagawin yung ating session. Okay, so as you can see, we can use simply says session underscore start in here. Every time na gagamit tayo ng super global variable na $_ session, kailangan ay magse-session start tayo. Okay, so it is necessary. So sa session, we will going to declare, it is parang something like a super global variable na po pwede natin gamitin sa ibang page or pwede natin siyang tawagin sa ibang page. So let's say I'm going to use username in here, and then is equal to, we will going to fetch the username. So kumbaga yung username na itinype ni user, kung dumaan siya, after na dumaan siya sa checking, if it exists, kung tama yung kanyang password, na verify siya, tsaka ko lang i-store sa may $_ session username, just to make sure na kailangan nag-exist talaga yung username na yan. Okay? And then, by simply doing that, okay, so yung part po na yan, we can head over to our dashboard. Okay? And then in here, at the top of our page, we can add PHP block in here and session underscore start, since we will going to call that session. And then we will going to say if is set, kung may laman yung ating $_ session na username, or actually if not, okay, if not is set, kung walang nakaset na username na session natin, okay, so we will going to head over to login.php. Okay, so hindi siya makakapag-redirect basta-basta. Okay, so check natin to, since wala pa naman tayong session. As you can see, we have here sa dashboard, so refresh natin siya. Okay, instantly, makikita ninyo kapag nag-head over tayo sa dashboard, ay hindi na natin siya ma-access. Okay, and aside from that, okay, so kung ilalagin natin to, login, so welcome to dashboard, nakapag-login tayo, then we hit log out, okay, and then we head over again to dashboard.php. As you can see, nakabalik tayo even though nag-log out tayo. Okay, so the reason for that is hindi naman talaga tayo nag-log out. Okay, so ang ginawa lang natin, nag-redirect lang tayo sa login.php. All we have to do is to create an actual logout, okay, for the meantime, para mawala yung session natin or mabura yung laman nung session natin. So, yun yung gagawin natin dito sa ating session underscore start, session underscore unset, session underscore destroy, and lastly, header location. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa login.php. With this, okay, so kailangan natin mag-start pa din kasi gagamitin natin yung session unset and then yung destroy. So, necessary yung session start. And then, tatanggalin natin lahat or tatanggalin natin yung mga nakaset, okay, na sessions, yung mga variables, yung mga naka-store sa kanila. And then, i-destroy natin yung current session natin. Then, we will going to redirect to login page. Now, in our dashboard, instead of redirecting to login.php, we will going to redirect to logout.php. And in here, para mas sure natin na talagang pagka walang nakaset na username sa ating session, sa logout na din natin siya ididiretso. Since after naman ng logout, magre-redirect pa din sila dun sa may login.php. So, save natin to. Reload natin yung page natin. Click natin yung logout. Okay. And then, punta tayo sa my dashboard.php. So, as you can see, hindi na tayo makapag-redirect sa dashboard.php natin. Okay. The question is, okay na ba yung ginawa natin na yon? Okay na din siya, pero there is a bypass. Okay. Since ang ginagamit lang natin dito is yung set. Okay. If I will going to create here, so let's say bypass.php, and then with this simple line of code na session underscore start, and then sasabihin ko dito na $_ underscore session username, and then yung hindi nag-exist sa database. For example, ayan. Save natin siya. Okay, as you can see, try natin. Dashboard, ayaw. But, let's head over to localhost/bypass.php. Okay, so nag-trigger yung bypass natin. Again, punta tayo sa login. I-redirect natin si dashboard.php. So, as you can see, nakapasok tayo dun sa may dashboard. Kasi, dito sa may bypass.php natin, we just set. Okay, nag-set tayo ng username. Okay, so, which is, of course, yun lang din yung tinitingnan natin dito sa my dashboard. Kung may nakaset ba na username. Okay, so, of course, kahit na anong session yung ilagay natin, session username yung ilagay natin, kung ganito lang yung magiging condition natin in our dashboard, is pretty much easier, or hindi naman easier, pero there's a way para mapasok pa din yung inyong dashboard or yung other page. Kasi gagawin lang natin dito, ilalagay natin to into another PHP file so that you can include it on every other file that you have. So, paano natin siya mas palalakasin yung security? The answer is, we're going to check if the session, kung nag-exist ba yung username na yun into our database, and we're going to implement also the token na gagawa natin ng expiration.